What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different today. The first portion of the video, I'm going to be taking you guys to PSI. They had a meet the morning after Invasion, so I'll show you guys some of the footage there. And then S58 Danny's going to be taking over the vlog from there. He's going to take you guys to Wolvesden, which is a local wrap shop here. They had a supercar social meet, so he's going to take you guys along for the ride for that one. So I hope you guys enjoy this switch up. If this video gets like 100 likes, I think it's time for Danny to start his own YouTube channel. Make sure you guys drop it down in the comments below. I'll also leave his IG description so you guys can DM him. Start his YouTube channel finally. But I appreciate the boys for taking over. I unfortunately couldn't make the event. I was out of town, but of course Danny put the team on his back, so I really appreciate it. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And now let's get into this video. What's going on YouTube? This is the next day after Invasion. We are actually at PSI, Precision Sport Industries, new shop, or I would say their old shop actually. This shop used to be Eurocharge in Orlando. I think they moved to Texas, and now PSI actually bought their old location back, and they have dyno, tuning, and they're gonna do some performance stuff over here, while also having their main shop in Oviedo, Florida. So we have the F80 parked up right here. It is still raining from the other day, so literally hasn't stopped raining in 48 hours now. You guys see sick lineup of some cars though. Got the RPI boys, my boy Diverge, M2. We have Ken, we have Wang, Leco, my boy Tito I just met. We have Yusuf. And yeah, we came out here with the squad. We have Dinman and his M4 Malo converted G82 truck. M8, we got Cam, fresh and dirty. Sick cars out here. And then yeah, we were parked next to the Borsteiner G87 that they revealed at the show. And then we have the E92 giveaway car, which you guys saw at the show. Check out the shop, show you guys a little behind the scenes. This will probably wrap up the Invasion weekend. Everybody's headed home today. So how far did you guys come for the show?
Man, we come down from Honduras.
Honduras, how crazy. How far was that flight?
Man, about 3 hours.
Oh, it's not bad, not bad. That's crazy. So you guys love BMW so much and you wanted to come for the show?
Complete fans, man.
Hell
Yeah, it's your first time at Beamer Invasion.
That's crazy.
Amazing.
Amazing? You like it? You had a good time?
Yeah, we're coming every year.
Every year?
Now.
Hell yeah. So you guys are big BMW like fans?
Oh yeah, for more than 10 years. That's all we've had.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How is it over there in Honduras, like when it comes to cars and BMWs and everything? Not a lot, right?
No,
Not a lot.
Not that many. The
Still
community
growing.
Still growing.
is very small.
So you guys are holding it down.
Yeah, man.
That's great. What's your name, man?
David.
David. Nice to meet you. I'm
Nice to
Bian.
meet you.
Man, I'm Jeffrey.
Hey, you guys see here, the show brings literally people from all over the world, all over the country, but out of country, it's so cool to see people. So make sure you guys check these guys out. If you guys don't know, Sean, the owner of PSI, is a big classic BMW guy. So you guys will see a bunch of beautiful cars like that if you guys visit his shop. And then here is his E91 converted wagon that is so sick. Show you guys a better look at that. This was a SEMA car this year actually. Check it out. It's absolutely mental. The wheel setup, the paint, crazy with the E88s. So clean. So nice. Here's Sean, 2002. Super clean. I know this is his baby. He's had it for a long time. You guys see how immaculate the paint is. You guys see another Adro G80 right here. Lucio G80. Crazy build. Wang, thank you for letting me use the mic to the show. Caleb, you got anything to say before?
Pound it.
Whoa.
Noggin.
Make sure you guys hit him up. Best detailer in Orlando. A shop reveal coming soon, right?
Whoa.
Yes sir. Got my boy Bruce.
I can't talk. I got no voice, so you can't, I can't say nothing.
And back to Wang, thank you for letting us use your mic this weekend. Shout out to Towsons. Make sure you guys follow him below. Check out his channel as well. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of PSI's new shop though. New/old shop. We have Sean's skateboard decks. We got Grizz, their receptionist.
Hello.
We have a little seating area for guests with some vlogs obviously playing in the background. Super nice, clean setup. Right through here, if your car is getting worked on or dyno, you guys can see from this little viewing window right here. Super cool. We got Ben the Goat. Make sure you guys follow Short Media, Shame Anthony, S55 Danny, or S58 Danny right there. Yeah, super clean, rainy day. Oh, the goat show. We got a goat show. That's hilarious. That's fine. 535 IS on the dyno right here. You guys can see So I just talked to Alexis, who's going to be running this location, and she said they'll do, you know, performance and things like that here, but they're mostly focusing on, you know, getting your car dialed in, tuning, anything custom like an engine swap or anything like that. So it's going to be, you know, more particular and for a different type of owner, you know, that wants to do something a little more special than just getting, you know, the basic bolt-ons, which they're going to do at the main shop. So if you guys are in Orlando, make sure you guys check out their new shop. They're gonna be working with Carrie Jordan, I believe. That's who they work with. And yeah, they're gonna be tuning out of the shop and obviously dynoing it as well. So OG Vlog Squad. Yo, that shirt is hilarious.
You like that, huh?
Right now.
Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it's subtle reminders are key.
Facts. Facts.
We out here.
More consistent vlogs coming from everybody.
Yes, sir. From Wayne, dropping tomorrow.
Oh, I don't know about tomorrow, but I'll try. I didn't get to film at all at Invasion
Because
at
you were the designated umbrella holder and other filmer.
Correct. Listen, when the B-roll comes out for Ken with the umbrella holding,
Yeah.
if he actually used it, that shit's hilarious.
That shit
I was
is
like
hilarious.
A shadow. He was moving and I was like this.
I thought that was hilarious.
The umbrella.
I think I mentioned it multiple times in my video, like,
Yeah.
of you guys just holding it. That shit was hilarious. But hey, gotta do it for the bros.
Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy, it's 58 Danny. Your boy F80 Ho gave me the camera, so guess y'all are rocking with me today. So we're out here at the Wolvesden meet. We got RJ in the mix. So yeah, this is supposed to be a supercar social type of meet. We got this beautiful Florida weather, nice sunset vibes. Starting off with this nice little S2K. Of course, we got me posted up in the grass. Turnout should be pretty good. See a nice little Lambo back there, some Porsches. Shout out to this G82 guy. Should be cool. So let's go ahead and hop right in, see what we see. So this is what we came for, this little Urus right there. We got the boy JC out here doing his thing. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's that?
Check out his setup. So I'm trying my best to not get VA copyrighted, but we're walking through the back of the building right now. So far, a lot of really cool cars. Got this SVJ right there, McLarens. So we're walking out back now. I'll flip the camera so y'all can see. But we got a lot of nice whips in the back here. A few McLarens, a couple Corvettes. I think I see an NSX peeking out the back over there, but let's keep walking and see what we can find. Starting off with this 600 LT. Peep the seats though. That's what I call some buckets right there. Those things are beautiful. Oh, the Rari? Listen, I can't fry. I mess with the wheels though. I do like the.
Yeah, I think it's clean.
This thing's beautiful. Look at that fitment.
It's alright.
It's alright. This is what I'm about here. Give me anything, but I'm gonna take this. You give me an option of taking one car. This is what I'm gonna take. This GT3 RS. Honestly, even in this spec. RJ, you mean to tell me you wouldn't take this right here? You wouldn't take that right there?
I go trade
This
it
man.
in. I go trade it
This
in.
man. This man.
I go trade it in.
Shout out to our guy Car Buddha here.
Car Buddha, man.
It's a nice wrap.
Oh, it's
I see the
manual.
image.
It's manual.
There, that's it. Listen, that's all. Say less. Say less. He said it's manual. I miss my manual. For those of you who remember, I used to have a M235i. Humble beginnings, but the car was a manual. Missed that car. But no, the Spider's clean. I'm trying to see that NSX over there. It's not every day that you see an NSX like this, especially modded out to this extent. This thing's beautiful on the TEs. Jeez, Recaros with the Takata harnesses. Right-hand drive, of course, and the motor. This is what dreams are made of. With some light behind, you know, some small. V8 right now, probably punching the air, seeing this thing. Oh, this thing's beautiful. Dazu Motorsports. Look at the size of the wing on this. Shout out to Dazu. R35. Crazy looking diffuser back there. Whole bunch of cars out here. Comment your guys' favorite whip down below. Turnout's looking pretty good so far. People are still rolling in. We got the G-Wagon in the back and the AMG GTR. Honestly, after the G80, I've definitely considered one of those GTRs. I think those cars are absolutely beautiful, and I do want to get back into a coupe one of these days. I don't know when, you know, I'm addicted to the G80 hips, but coupe life might have to be that GTR. We'll see. All right, about to head inside, see what we have here. Try not to get copyrighted while we walk in. If anything, Via, throw some music over the top. So now we're actually inside Wolvesden. Beautiful Porsche right here. It's the color that Adam LZ had on his GT3. Absolutely beautiful. Got this crazy vent. Check out that fitment. It's got a fat tire up front. Lambo, GT, JC. More Lambos. Absolutely stacked here. These cars are beautiful. Check out the wheels and brake setup on this. Of course, on Cup 2s. Amazing. I think this GT3 RS might be my favorite car here. Love the yellow accents on the RS. This thing is clean, absolutely clean. Then we got this matte black one over here. Absolutely crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. R8 here on the Advance. Is this Bilal? This might be Bilal's car. I don't know many R8s out here. Yeah, I think it is. I see the twin turbos out back. Shout out Bilal.
Yeah, when I crashed my car.
So yeah, this is cool. I guess this is the second time that they've done this meet. It's dope that we made it out with a little bit of the crew.
We're trying to create a new culture for the Orlando car community, and this is exactly what I'm trying to do. Auto lifestyle, bringing people together, networking, having good times, all related to cars. Dan Kush, you guys obviously know this guy. I want to thank you for everything that you've done, having faith in my shop for these events. And yeah, so I just want to take a second to say thank you to everybody.
All right, RJ, what'd you think of the event?
It's my first one, so I always remember this one. So like, it was definitely real good.
Yeah.
Like, attire-wise, you want to dress nice because you can pretty much network, if you know what I'm saying. But
yeah, we got a very wide variety of different individuals here. A lot of car enthusiasts, a lot of businessmen. Very eclectic crowd overall, I would say, right?
You know,
so
my
what's
favorite
your?
car?
That's what I was about to ask. I was like, what's your favorite car?
Definitely the Lambo. Come on, you can't go wrong.
This guy.
With the Lambo. Hey, let me just make myself clear. I don't dislike Ferrari. I just prefer Lambo over Ferrari.
All right, we've been having this discussion all night. Lambo versus Ferrari. Drop it down in the comments which one you guys would prefer. You already know what I'm picking. Give me the Ferrari.
All right, man. Peace.
And that's out. Whoa, man.